Good morning, children. In the previous video, we have learned about place value and also how to make a abacus rod. Now let's go to Term 1, Book A, Math section, page number 28 for textual exercise and reading. So are you ready with your pencil? Yes. First, we are going to write the date on this page, 22/4/20. And I want you all to read after me. Place value. This is the 52nd Diwali fair. The stage has the number 52 written with the light bulbs. Navya looks at the number. Now see children, here Navya is looking at the number 52 and she is calculating in her mind. That is 5 tens and 2 ones. 52 is equals to 5 tens and 2 ones. So it's equal to 50 plus 2. This is the expanded form and this is the standard form. Now Navya is watching the number and remembering what she had learned. Now let's go down. Each digit in a number has its place value. The number 52 has two digits, 5 and 2. The place value of 2 is 2 ones or 2. The place value of 5 is 5 tens or 50. Now look here children, this is tens and this is ones. So 5 tens is equals to 50 and 2 ones is equals to 2. This we have already learned in the video. Now let's go down. 110 is equals to 10. 2 tens is equals to 20. 3 tens is equals to 30. 4 tens is equals to 40. 5 tens is equals to 50. 6 tens is equals to 60. 7 tens is equals to 70. 8 tens is equals to 80. 9 tens is equals to 90. 10 tens is equals to 100. So these are the tens. Now let's go to a number can be written as tens and ones or in the expanded form. So children, before going to the expanded form, I made some tens, bunches of a spoon. Now this is 1 tens, that is 10, 20, 30, 4 tens 40, 5 tens 50, 60, 70, 80, 90 and 100. So 1 tens, 2 tens, 3 tens, 4 tens, 5 tens, 6 tens, 7 tens, 8 tens, 9 tens and 10 tens. So 10 tens is equals to 100. Okay, did you all enjoy this? You can make a set of tens. Whatever you get in the house, you can make a set of tens. Now let's go to the reading again. We have done a number can be written as tens and ones or in the expanded form. So expanded form of 52 is 5 tens plus 2 ones is equals to 50 plus 2. This we have already learned in our videos. Now let's go to page number 29. The same number can be written in the standard form or the expanded form. See this. Standard form. 52 is equals to 5 tens plus 2 ones is equals to 50 plus 2. This is expanded form. Now let's go to this, our favorite part. Look around. What is your class strength? Write the number in the standard form and the expanded form. Now when we all will come together in the classroom, we can do this. But present class strength of this year of your class was, if it is 42, we can write 40 tens and 2 ones. Okay, so this we can do it later. Now let's go to knowledge nugget. The place value of a digit in a number depends on its place in the number. For example, in the number 35, 3 is the tens place and 5 in the ones place. So, the place value of 3 is 3 tens or 30, and that of 5 is 5 ones or 5. So, this we have learned already, 3 tens and 5 ones. Now, are you ready to solve the exercise, children? Yes. Let's try 2.2 exercise. I want you to hold a pencil in your hand and let's write. Now, number 1. Write the place value of the red digit. 1 has been done for you. Now children, this is 35, A number. You can write small t on above the 3 number and you can write O above the 5 number. So, tens and ones. Okay. Now tell me, the red color number is at which place? Yes, it is at tens place. So, 3 tens is equals to 30. This box is already done for us as an example. Let's go to B number. Again here you can write T and O, small t, small o, and then tell me the red color number, that is 6, is at which place? Correct. It is at the tens place. So 6 tens is equals to 6060. So I want you all to write 6060 in the box. Let's go to the C number. Now here also, if you want, you can write T and O. Now the place of 3 is in ones. So we have to write here only 3. Now go to D number. 2020. Now the red color number is in which place? In ones. So we are going to write here 0. Okay, 0 ones is equals to 0. Let's go to the question number 2. Write the numbers in the standard form. Now, here they have given the numbers in the expanded form. We have to write it in the standard form. This will be very easy. A, 60 plus 2. So, what will be the number here in the standard form? 62. B number 70 plus 0, 70. 20 plus 4 is equals to 24. 40 plus 7 is equals to 47. 50 plus 8 is equals to 58. 30 plus 6 is equals to 36. 10 plus 9 is equals to 19. 90 plus 5 is equals to 95. 80 plus 1 is equals to 81. I hope so you have finished the text exercise 2.2 along with me. Let's go to page number 3030. Let's read. Question 3. Read the number names and write the numbers in their standard forms and expanded forms. One has been done for you. Your number name, standard form, expanded form. A number 47, in the standard form 47, expanded form 40 plus 7. Now I want you to take your pencils and write B 90, 90 and 90 plus 0. So write in the standard form 90, expanded form 90 plus 0. C number 19, 19. So we'll write in the expanded form 10 plus 9. Now let's go to question number 4. Look at this representation. Write the standard form, expanded form and the number names for the number. Now here there are 6 bundles and there are separate 3 ones. And here it is 60 and here it is 3. So 60 plus 3 we will write as in the standard form 63. And in the expanded form we will write here 60 plus 3. And the number name we will write 63. That is SIXTYTHREE 3. Let's go to question number 5. Write the number in its standard form for each of the given expanded forms. Also write the number name for each. Now children, in this table there is a printing mistake. So what I want you to cut this number name, take a pencil in your hand and write down expanded form. Write the spelling of EXPANDED, expanded, FORM, form. Standard form is right. Now let's go to this part. Here you have to cancel the expanded form and down you have to write number dot name. So we got the 3 columns. One is expanded form column, one is standard form column and one is number name. Now let's go to A number. 30 plus 9. They have given this number in the expanded form. Now we have to write in the standard form, that is 3939. And we have to write the spelling or the number name 39. You all know the spellings, I know. You have learned in first standard. Now let's go to B. 50 plus 7 is equals to 57 in the standard form and number name 57. So take your pencil and write. Now let's go to C section. 4 tenths is 40, 40 standard form and the number name is 40. FORTY, 40. Many children make a mistake. They write the spelling FOURTY, 40. It's wrong. The correct spelling is FORTY, 40. Now here we have done with our topic place value. I think so you have understood the textbook well. Now I want you to solve a worksheet based on skip counting and place value, which I'll be giving you on the top school. So bye for now.